You won't believe what I just discovered today while cleaning out my childhood bedroom. That weird clicking sound your house makes at night isn't ghosts or settling wood like everyone says. It's actually your home's materials expanding and contracting as temperatures change throughout the day. The wood, metal pipes, and even plastic components literally grow and shrink by tiny amounts, creating those mysterious creaks and pops that kept you awake as a kid. Your house is basically doing yoga all night long, stretching and relaxing with the temperature changes. Now I can finally sleep peacefully knowing my house isn't haunted, just flexible. Drop a comment about the weirdest house sound you've always wondered about.